Hi guys, I'm Jessica Harlow. Dark eyes are a huge trend right now, but I want to give them my own kind of little twist. So we're going for more of a space themed look. Let's get started. So I'm just going to start by applying a layer. Doesn't have to be neat at all because we're going to blend it a lot. Then go in with like a clean brush and blend. And this is kind of like a base layer. It's going to give all the other colors something to blend into. Just make sure to blend the edge really well so you don't see any lines. Shouldn't know where something starts or ends. So now I'm going to take a black eyeliner pencil and pretty much do the same thing that I did with the purple, only this time I'm going to focus it really close to the lash line and a little bit towards the outer corner here. You see, like that. Really quickly start blending. And I like to use a brush that has kind of shorter bristles for this, just because it gives you more control. It's a little soft circular motions. Get some windshield wiper action, whatever it takes to blend it out. And then whatever's left over on the brush, you can always take that along the lower lash line. And I like to use a larger brush along my lower lash line. I feel like it just blends things out much better, gives you a softer look. I'm gonna pick up an eyeshadow that's a really light pink, something that's got some shimmer to it. With a small brush, I'm just gonna pat that right in the inner corner. I'm gonna take that along the lower inner corner too. Really wrap around the tear duct. And then when there's not much left on the brush, I'll just kind of pull it into the rest of the eye. Like, see, it's already looking kind of galactic. So I'm just picking up some of the purple shimmery eyeshadow on my ring finger. I'm just gonna pat that right in the center. And don't worry, overlap a little bit with the pink, it's okay. So you see we've got a really nice duochrome happening. I'm gonna pick up a little bit more of the pink that I used earlier. Just kind of re-layer that and pull that over the purple. And then I take a brush that doesn't really have any eyeshadow on it, and I'll just use that to kind of blend and blur the line a little bit. So different finger, picking up kind of like a dark blue shade. And pat that right here at the outer corner. Same thing on the other eye. So I'm gonna pick up a clean brush and I'm just gonna pull the edges. That way you get a nice overlap, you get a nice gradient. So next you wanna curl your lashes and apply mascara as usual. For the waterline, I'm gonna add a really nice cobalt blue eyeliner pencil. I just really think it's gonna make things pop. So I'm going with this kind of plummy shade here. It's like a plummy mauve. And I feel like this goes very well with this purpley galaxy theme. I'm going to take a white liquid eyeliner. Just gonna take the very tip of that and do like little teeny tiny, they're gonna look like stars basically. It's gonna be like we're in the galaxy. I'm gonna take a really shimmery, it's almost like a white, light ivory, and I'm just gonna go right over that at the very, very corner. Look at this. I'm a celestial goddess, hello. Thanks for watching Musically. Don't forget to hashtag Galaxy Eyes so that we can see your look. And I look forward to seeing you again next time.